welcome back in my video. Hope you will be fine at your home. In this video, we are going to learn about a story that is Harold R. Hornbill. This story is written by a great poet, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in 19 May 1934 and was awarded with Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. In this story, Ruskin Bond tells us about hornbill life and also about how humans are kind for birds. The story goes like that. A pair of hornbill make their own nest and give birth to a baby hornbill. But one day, a civet cat attacked to their nest, and this makes the baby hornbill disattached from his parents and attached to humans. The humans take care of the baby hornbill very well and also had given the baby hornbill name as Harold. The family used to play with Harold and give nice foods to Harold. Now let us do the question answers of this lesson. The first question is describe the nest in which Harold was born. As we all know that Harold's father had made a nest for Harold's mother and Harold. So what kind of nest was it? Harold was born in a great hole high in the tree trunk. It was a hollow tree hollow in the tree which was fully damaged by the weather. His mother and he was enclosed within the hole by a wall of earth, sticks, and dung. It was very difficult for both of them to live there. Harold was born in a tree which was very hollow because it was damaged by weather. His mother and he faces a lot of difficulty in living in that hole, which was in that damaged tree. The wall of the hole was made in with earth, sticks, and dung. So this kind of nest was of Harold. This kind of nest was Harold's birthplace. Harold was born in a great hole high in the tree trunk. Next question is why did Harold fall out of his nest? As we all know that Harold gets disattached from his parents and attached with humans. But why this circumstance why this phenomena take place? Due to a circumstance that a civet cat attacked them. A civet cat attacked Harold. His parents came to his rescue. They flew at the cat, scratching loudly and striking out with their great bills. In this noisy fight, Harold fell down from his nest. The civet cat had attacked Harold, and in order to rescue Harold, his parents start fighting with the civet cat. In this noisy fight, Harold fell down from his nest in that hollow tree. Next question is how did Harold improve his appearance periodically? Harold gave much time and thought to his personal appearance. In this naked boyhood, he was not beautiful. His attractive feature was his flaming red bill, but which matched the flame tree. When he grew up, was not at all presentable. He had a small body and a large head, but he was good, natural, and friendly. Although Harold gave much of the time and thought to his personal appearance, he was not so beautiful. The attractive feature that he had was a flaming red bill in his head, when which matches the flame tree. When he grew up, when he goes to the flame tree, when he go up in the flame tree, he was not presentable because he had a, a small body and a large head. Which, but although Harold was very good, natural, and friendly. Next question is, describe the way Harold ate the rice balls that the human threw him. Harold loved balls of boiled rice. The human would throw him the rice balls and he would eaten the rice balls in his beak, toss them in the air and loop them drop into his open mouth. In this way, Harold ate the rice balls that the humans threw him. The way of having the boiled rice balls was very amazing. Harold tossed the rice ball in the air and then looped them drop into his mouth. Humans also like this, the way in which Harold have the food. Next question is, which habit of Harold irritated Aunt Ruby? Aunt Ruby is a character in this story who was very irritated of one of the habit of Harold. Harold loved the rain, so he used to chuckle about an hour before the first raindrop fell. This habit of Harold irritated Aunt Ruby. Harold used to chuckle when she left the house, and when she returned home, Harold even laughed at her. Aunt Ruby was very irritated with one of the habit of Harold. That was, he start chuckling when the rain before before 1 hour the first raindrop fell, and also when Aunt Ruby leave the house and when she returned back home, he used to uh, irritate her by chuckling and laughing at her. So bye, we will meet in the next video.